You can see it. And that is why, sad to say, a lot of people can say the Adventist church has no power. Because, come on, the people in the church themselves, some of them, some of them don't even believe in the power of God. It's just a routine to come to church. And I am praying for the church that we will wake up out of our sleep. Wake up, like proper wake up. Not just open my eye and stretch, but wake up and get active for God. Get active. Pray. We have the power. God said, greater works. Greater works. We have it. We just don't want to use it. Because, and you see, hey, let me shut up. But